Hey health hustlers! Welcome back to the channel where we help you hustle your way to better health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of a simple yet powerful beverage hibiscus tea. That's right, just 1 cup a day can work wonders for your health. Stick around to find out exactly what happens when you make this delicious drink a part of your daily routine. Let's get started. First up, hibiscus tea can help lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that the anthocyanins in hibiscus flowers can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. If you're someone who struggles with hypertension, incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine might be a natural way to manage your blood pressure levels. Next, hibiscus tea is a fantastic immune booster. It's rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Drinking hibiscus tea daily can help protect you from common colds and infections, keeping you healthy all year round. Trying to shed a few pounds? Hibiscus tea might be your new best friend. This tea has been shown to aid in weight loss by reducing the absorption of starch and glucose. Plus, it can boost your metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, and hibiscus tea can help keep it in top shape. Research suggests that the antioxidants in hibiscus tea can improve liver health by reducing liver damage and promoting overall liver function. Good digestion is key to overall health, and hibiscus tea can help with that too. It acts as a natural diuretic, which helps in flushing out toxins and reducing bloating. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can keep your digestive system running smoothly. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, but hibiscus tea can help combat this. The anti-inflammatory properties of hibiscus tea can help reduce inflammation in the body, easing symptoms of conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. If you're managing diabetes or looking to prevent it, hibiscus tea can be beneficial. Studies have indicated that hibiscus tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Heart health is crucial, and hibiscus tea supports it in multiple ways. By lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and combating inflammation, hibiscus tea helps protect your heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Last but not least, hibiscus tea can be a natural mood enhancer. The calming effects of hibiscus can help reduce anxiety and depression, promoting overall mental well-being. A cup of hibiscus tea can be a great way to unwind after a stressful day. So there you have it, health hustlers. Drinking just 1 cup of hibiscus tea a day can bring a multitude of health benefits, from lowering blood pressure to boosting your immune system, aiding in weight loss, promoting liver health, improving digestion, reducing inflammation, enhancing skin health, regulating blood sugar levels, supporting heart health, and even boosting your mood. Why not give it a try and see the positive changes for yourself, enthusiastically? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And if you're already a hibiscus tea drinker, let us know in the comments how it's helped you. Until next time, keep hustling and stay healthy. Check out our recommended products and must-watch videos in the description below, and join our community by subscribing. See you in the next video.